Alright guys, we're out here right now. I got the 79 pulled out to the middle of the driveway here, so I figured I'd go ahead and try and get it cleaned up. I have a little surprise coming hopefully tomorrow for it. I got to get the motor pulled out of it sometime this week, so we're just going to take the pressure washer, hit underneath. I got some degreaser I'm going to spray up underneath. I'm going to just try and get this cleaned up a little bit before I pull it into the shop and make it a mess. So yeah, it should be fun. Probably set you guys up so you can watch me make a mess. So still, the inside still just tore apart, as you can see. Dash bezel, glove box is out. The wiring still surprisingly looks pretty good. So like I said, we're gonna get this sprayed off real quick, get some degreaser on the bottom side to kind of clean it up a little bit, and hopefully it'll help it out. Alright guys, I'm going to shut off the pressure washer real quick. I'm going to climb underneath there and spray the transmission and stuff. If you can see, it's kind of caked in some gross, nasty shit. So I'm going to spray some degreaser on there, let it sit, and shoot it with a pressure washer. That's just going to be the video for today. Worked on that customer's truck, finishing it up. That's about it. Like I said, I'm going to turn that off, get it sprayed, and shoot it again. So I just want to give you guys a little content, keep you guys up to date on the 79. Like I said, we will be pulling the motor sometime this week, hopefully. So stick around to see. That video should be some fun. So you guys have a great day. If you're a first-time viewer, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys again. Peace.